Think art is just boring paintings? Wrong. Art is like a superhero toolbox, packed with 7 epic elements that make every masterpiece pop. Let's dive in. First up, line. It's the path of a point moving through space. Think sharp zigzags, swoopy curves, or jagged edges. Lines guide your eyes and set the vibe, like the energy in a comic book sketch. Next up is shape. These are the building blocks of art, like the star on Captain Marvel's suit or the bat on Batman's chest. Shapes can be bold and geometric, like Iron Man's armor, or organic, like Venom's gooey form. They're in every logo and costume. Color is the mood maker. It's why Hulk's green screams rage, or why Deadpool's red pops with chaos. Colors set the vibe. Blue for calm, like the hero's mask, and yellow for energy that pops off the page. It's what makes heroes unforgettable. Texture is how things feel, or look like they feel. Think of the things Rocky hide, or Iron Man's shiny armor. Artists use texture to make you want to touch the page, like feeling the grit of a hero's battle-worn gear. Space is where the action lives. Positive space is the hero, like Thor smashing his hammer. Negative space is the empty bits that make him stand out, like the stormy sky behind him. It's the pause before the epic punch lands. Form gives art that 3D superhero vibe, like a statue of Spider-Man you can walk around. Value is the light and dark magic, using shadows to make Batman's cowl look intense or highlight Superman's clean-shaven face. There you go, the 7 elements of art: line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the superpowers behind every comic, game, or poster you love. Spot them next time you're reading or gaming. Now grab a pencil. Create your own superhero